Today's like one of the first good weather days we've had, so I think we're gonna go wash Josh's car and maybe meet up with someone that has a 400 horsepower.
Yeah, it's like 400.
WRX, so keep me posted.
What's up, guys? So we just got to Cade's house. We're about to wash the car. I just washed it a couple days ago, but as Cade said, the weather hasn't been good, so it's constantly dirty, so we're gonna give it a wash. And then my buddy with that WRX is gonna come over and we're gonna meet up and film some cool shots of him. His car's really cool, so get excited for that. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But we're gonna wash the car first and then meet back up with you afterwards. Okay, so the car is finished. We finished washing it, now we just gotta dry it down with some towel.
How are you?
Good. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, nice
That's Cade.
Grant.
Nice to meet you, dude.
What do you think, man?
Dude, it's so fast.
Alright, so we just cruised up to Qdoba, got some rollers, and now we're gonna go eat a little bit, but taking some pictures of the cars posted up. Look pretty good. It's a little bit messed up, too. Yeah. Not really bad. That's awesome. He's gonna do a quick flyby for us. Crazy, bro. Sounds so good. What's up, guys? So as you can tell, it's the next day. I forgot to outro this vlog, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and shout out to Grant for taking us for a ride in his car and showing us around his car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like, comment. Peace out.